Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl. In this problem, we're going to be rewriting the difference quotient by rationalizing the numerator. So the technique of rationalizing the numerator involves multiplying my expression by 1. Notice that if I multiply by 1, the expression does not change. So I'm going to rewrite this as the square root of t plus 3 minus the square root of 3 all over t times 1. Now, the idea is, what form should 1 take? Well, again, I'm going to rewrite my difference quotient, root t plus 3 minus root 3 all over t. And when I write 1, I'm going to write it exactly as the numerator is written, with one small exception. Instead of a minus, I'm going to write a plus in between my two terms. So this will be the square root of t plus 3 plus root 3. And then if I divide by exactly the same thing, the square root of t plus 3 plus root 3, notice that I've just multiplied my original expression by 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the algebra. When I multiply fractions, I multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. Multiplying the numerators together, notice I need to use FOIL. So I'll have root t plus 3 times root t plus 3. That's just t plus 3. The outside term is the square root of 3 times the square root of t plus 3. The inside term is the same thing except it's negative, which means they add together to be 0. And my last term is a minus root 3 times a positive root 3. That's going to be minus 3. Now, for the denominator, I am allowed to distribute the t across. However, we're going to see that it's going to be more convenient if I leave it factored. So I'll write that denominator as t times the quantity, the square root of t plus 3 plus root 3. Now notice in my numerator, I have t plus 3 and minus 3. This will simplify to a t. So I have t divided by t times the quantity, the square root of t plus 3 plus the square root of 3. Now you can see why I wanted to keep that denominator factored, because I can cancel the t's. And I'm left with 1 divided by the square root of t plus 3 plus the square root of 3, as long as t does not equal 0. Notice if t equals 0, in my answer I will get 1 over 2 root 3, but in my original problem I'll have undefined. So the only time that these two expressions are not the same is when t is 0. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.